Whirlpool Dryer Repair Services in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Whirlpool dryers that consist of Whirlpool gas dryers, Whirlpool electric dryers such as the Whirlpool Duet and the Whirlpool Cabrio dryer, along with all other models of Whirlpools. If you are having a problem with your Whirlpool dryer, such as the dryer won't start, dryer stops turning during the cycle, dryer won't turn at all, possibly the dryer takes too long to dry clothes, or the dryer's too hot, the dryer won't stop, the dryer doesn't heat, the dryer trips the breaker when it's running, maybe the dryer makes noise, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.